Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anywhere on the day they watch me, they greet you now. At the toilet for una. Welcome to United TV show. I beg my people, if today na your first time, I beg, make you no fail to subscribe and make you hit that Congo bell for your notification button. So that anytime I upload a new video, you go know say this lady she don't upload a new video. Make her go see the Ogbege story where she bring come this time around. Thank you for my old subscribers. Thank you for my new subscribers. May God bless you guys. You guys are super amazing. I really appreciate. My people, I don't come with another Ogbege story or the way I they bring her they come. As this already come, that's how they bring her they come for now. My people, this story, and one woman. They say people we get cap, they no get head. Now so it will be for this life. Oh. People know they value what they get now until they lose her. And so I sit they talk my own no. Because I don't know what they were our ladies, our women, some of our women nowadays. I don't know what they worry them. This man can't they suspect his wife. Every time when they chat with some people, they chat with some people. If you ever they send a message, you go just ignore the thing they follow the talk. You go do like say, you know, yeah, anything way they talk. You go to tell people say you no get husband, say our husband don't die. And this one will make some men know they mostly some African men waiting for Africa. Don't know they allow their wife work. Because some women, they don't they work, they get that money, they go they misbehave. While some women, if they don't they work, they go outside, they say nowadays they must toast married woman. Even the one who get belly, they go toast her. Now, who want accept, go accept. Who want tell the same, I'm sorry, I'm married, stop disturbing me. But now, there's some of women, and they tell they say they don't marry, they follow the up, they follow the chat. If you not toast, you no go ask question, say, what do you make, since your man, no man, they toast me again. Boys, young boys, you old men, anyone can toast you as you are a married woman. No thing say because say you marry, no man will toast you again. They must toast. This woman was nice, good to her husband. The house they peacefully. Until when this woman can't start to work. This woman can't change. Everything on Facebook. But they chat. Don't they send her husband again. They send her husband again. See, one day her husband can go check her phone. He can see chat with one man, chat. And she can take carry the man, Facebook name. Chat give the man, say he would like to see the man, say in and this person see a brother, say one like to see him. The man no fair agree for the initial time. But later when come open up to the man, say in and the woman, the woman or the girl, husband, when they follow the chat since. And the man tell her say, the girl tell her say, no get husband, say her husband don't die. And you can't be our husband. And I was okay, now so, make we see, as you they think say me the lie. No say don't be a woman, on the web business, so they don't have fight or resolve her to bet men, so men, they don't understand each other. Now so that you can book where they go see, that you can see, that you can talk. Can tell her everything. See with the woman, they chatting, they date a woman online. The man can show her pictures of the children with a woman, may not say they are alive. Can show her everything. Can tell her everything too. Say that to the date online. Say the reason make you accept to date. I say the woman tell her say if the find man will go take care of her and her children because say her husband don't die. But the man no talk say he don't fuck a sha. The man no talk that one. The man can go house After when the woman come back for work, when they tell the woman say, see, the truth now this kind, the woman can't deny her flat. Before the man go know, this woman don't go quick delete the messenger. Can go delete everything when with this man chat. They come quarrel outside. Later on, the sister to again. Life see they go on for her. But this woman know she no see end for that. She see continue it. They come house late. See they come house late. This man now go cook. I never see African man where they do that kind of thing. No. Now only few people they do it now for Europe. Now few men and they do it. Now this man go cook. He go wash his own clothes, wash his children clothes, wash his wife clothes. The woman just come back for work. The next he go eat, he go bath, he go sleep. Now be the work with the woman they do. Now be the work with this woman they do. You go eat. This the same man, then they pay school fees of the children. Then they pay us strength. The one can touch me most. This woman's salary every big past this man own. And now this man see they do everything with they for house. Now see they do everything for house. Then they pay school fees. Then they take care of the house. Then they pay for everything. And this woman, we ever see bring the matter come. Now she bring not even the man bring matter come. The woman will bring matter come. He say the man will take care of the children. The man who they do irresponsibility well. Say one the man they do irresponsibility well. Say bet no one divorce. And you carry matter come outside. But this man, let me sometimes my people and my fellow presenters, I beg. Sometimes if you hear story, you need to hear from the two of this man. No your judge like that. No condemn the other person quick. Even though you want to condemn the person quick, you just see use the person's story to advise other people out there. Than for you to just quickly condemn the person. I mean, some of my stories or some of things when me they talk, I know they quick condemn. But if I ever want to condemn, I must condemn this, condemn that one. Sometimes you need to hear from the two of this man. Now, woman, no. Now, the woman itself, that bring the story come. Now bring the matter come. Say the man no they take care of her well. The man no they take care of his responsibility well. The man no they take care of the children well. The man no they give them better money for feeding. Now you'll be the only complaint with the woman complain. You don't talk any other way and say the man they beat her. Say the day the man beat her naked. But for that nakedness, we say the man beat her and they come for that aspect. As I talk my people, this woman will just come house, you go eat, you can't go sleep. Now so that they continue to live their life. This man not see mine. Upon as this man will take arrange house, this woman will see scatter, will leave her like that. The way they scatter the house, the woman will see arrange early morning. He don't come up for us. Now this the same man go do one. Let me just say in a month or in a week, now maybe you see like 2 times or once. Now this woman if he cook morning food for a family or night food in a week, like 2 times, sometimes. I don't know if you see in a month. But now this man I go do everything. And this man see the work. Oh. Okay, now the woman, okay, why you allow your husband to do those things? She say, because her husband work not be every day like that. That make your husband they do the things. If not some men say, well, even though they know they work at all, they don't go help. Because they do that responsibility well. They pay school fees. They bring for the money. They pay us straight. They give you small money sometimes. Upon say you they work. And before this woman start this woman don't give her money, make they start business. The woman squander the money. He misused the business. When the business they crumble, before she can't start this work, where she work. Why some women they there, they'll see man we love they misbehave. Why the one way we say the man no love they will like to date lawyer so that they'll get the man love? This woman no see rest for the cheating things, so for the chatting with men. But she says she never sleep with any of them. You know rest for there, see the chat with men. See one day, this woman they chat with some person for phone. As they chat. The woman they cook, you forget say something they fire. Can't give them money, may they go cook. They chat. Then the market say food they burn and you did they cook. Because of that vaccination that you can begin the fight. This woman I go fair fight, follow this man fight. Oh, if you follow the man fight, you can't push her enter outside. When you know say people where they the compound they push her go outside for rain. That's why people they look them. Now the man can't vest, can't beat her. The next national she pull her clothes. You don't take my clothes. I'll tell you I know the shame. I'll tell you I know the shame. Like some women really did this. Like they don't get that shame at all. They feel naked anywhere. They feel naked anywhere. I'll tell you I know the shame. I'm sure you felt know me before. That's why she take her clothes. But she felt less now the man beat her naked. Whereas now she tear her clothes. And she tear her clothes. Now from that version, the man go carry the woman phone. Because now this phone and they cause problem for this house. Apart from this phone, not that one they cause problem for that the man go smash her phone for ground. And this woman cause he work, go carry her own husband phone, got a smash her too for ground. Man no go talking now, so the man got a wear shirt, come come for us, come leave the two phone for our side. Before the man got buy Nokia phone when they use now. This the same woman go come house, go bath. You know, see window for as basically from upstairs they look there. You go even naked like that. When we say the curtain no cover, and this man will go rush cover the curtain. Ah, you know, see people there outside. People with those they look you. This woman never washed her husband clothes before. Now before, but since how many years now, he never wash her. You know they wash her husband clothes. And this man they wash his clothes. Now they say, the reason why they wash your clothes, you know they keep it clothes on the dirty. Any clothes when you wear, if you go work, come back, or any clothes when you wear fast, you go your wash her. Now from there go wash my own, wash the children. Me see the wash cloth, me see the fresh water. Me see the wash cloth, I see the fresh water. If water not there, I see the fresh water. I see they cook sometimes. And every they cook, and they carry they go work. Why can't tell me say no they cook? Sometimes you they cook. I did the same man go cook, do everything. You see, get men they cheat. Even though they say you never cheat, you know they cheat. Now only the problem and that phone where the man match for grant. This woman go Facebook, go block her own husband for Facebook. Go block her husband for Facebook. If you be say you don't get crocus for your cupboard, you go block your husband for Facebook. Why you can't go block her? If you be say you don't get that man where they eye you, or you don't get any other intention on this man. For present of your children when they grow up and they get picking of 8 years and 10 years. They behave like this. If they behave like this man don't carry this case and go, they don't go that place. That mama that party settled there. She settled there. But this woman not ready to change at all. The man now they say he no want a king. Say he don't tire. Say no want a king. Because the woman not ready to change. Not ready to change. And if you see this man, cute, they pass cute. Opposite the old. Child, this man cute. But go look the woman. Nobody 3 children that she get. She be like a blow one bust. The man never give that so men go say because when he married the woman no fat, he slim. Bang, bang, bang. But if now so men as this one, the go say the woman no cook my favor. The woman no fine. Go say the woman no even fine. He can't fat join her. He can't see they treat me like this. This woman say you know the cheap, but they take prevention medicine. Did they ask her now? Say he never buy her before. Okay, why you can't? When they make you can't get her? It's not somebody right and give her if you be say if you don't want to remove belly. But your husband also to sleep with you since when he find that say they do corner. Our husband also to sleep with her for so very long. Since when our husband find that say they follow men, they chat, he come whatever they lie, saying don't die. You know say his wife don't go fine. The man can't stop to the follow they sleep. You know what they do with your husband and wife they do again. The man stop her. Why you can't go they find to prevent belly? When your husband know they sleep with you again, they say she say in with her fellow women they discuss and now they can't write the name. Do I say never ever buy, I never ever take her? Why you can't need that? What be say your husband know they sleep with you? For me, I don't feel judge you, I don't be God the bet that woman they cheat. We cannot see who no go they cheat. We say your husband know they sleep with you against this way you find out say your way no pure, make you no go die. When you can't find that, it stop to they sleep with you. What you can find pregnant marriage for if you be say you know really they cheat? What we can find prevention for? Why can they find her pregnancy prevention? Why can they find her? If that woman know they cheat. I don't feel judged, but this for my mind, my instinct, tell me say that woman, they cheat. If you know they cheat, you know they find prevention. You know they find her. You know see man we go love now, we ready to deal with you now. No matter the condition, no matter how una be, una fat, una slim, una girl, una break one leg, una blind, he ready to deal with you, but no go ever see deal with them. Just the same thing the way man see be. Una see women we ready to deal with you now, no matter any condition. And just may you deal with them. When they see you always, when they see you, when they wake up in the morning, they see you there beside them. Una two will go bed together. Just that's what they want for. Only that sacrifice they want for now. Just to day into their life. I don't go like them. And the ones where not just want to know, no, they go for. No, they go for. Every day, kata. Thanks, guys, for watching. I beg my people, make una don't forget to drop on a comment for this woman. Whether for now on, now I believe say this woman they do the thing or not. You cannot forget to drop on a comment for it. I make una see give some women advice. So women add their advice. May they stop to the cheat. May they stop it. Thanks, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Bye.